Hi Curtis, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. Just don't want to take a minute of your time. I know you're pretty busy. As I was talking to you on the phone, I want to give you some tips on how to increase your presence online. So some of the things that Google looks for on your front page is content. That's how you're found and how you're pushed up to the rankings of the search results. What Google looks for is a minimum of 1,500 words on your front page. Looking at your website here, you can see that definitely could use some more content on your front page here. With the content that's on your front page or anywhere on your website, we have to have keywords, and Google also uses the keywords to help with your ranking on Google for the search results. So with that, we can head on over to your competition. Your competition has certified fence. When I was looking on Google, since you're based out of Nampa, I searched fence companies in Nampa, and the first page that came up was certified fence, so that would be your top competition in Nampa. On our page, they don't really have a whole lot of content either, so that actually will help you be easily surpassable with the amount of content we put on your page, with also more keywords to help rank and help find your products and services, or basically make it easier for people to find you in the search results. So they do have back pages here listing what they have to offer. We can also do that with yours. You have back pages here, but it's best to have a lot more back pages kind of listing what you have to offer, your products and services. And with each back page comes more content and keywords that also will help rank you on search results. I'm going to take a look at this here. Looks like probably maybe a newer website, have not very many keywords and very little backlinks. So what backlinks are your website that's on a different page that's being referred to for your products and services. So with having more links, it will help you be more trustworthy and have more power within Google. Looking at your competition, they have right now 456 keywords and 620 links, but because they doesn't necessarily mean that all the links that they have are good. You look down here, most of their links are actually very low on their reliability or power. So it'd be easy to outrank them on that with having more relevant links to your website. We could even go to see who they're using for their backlinks, their referring domains. Use those websites, putting your information in those, and even finding better, more trustworthy referring domains, which will in turn help you rank higher than your competition. One last thing I want to talk about is citations. So citations is when you search for fence companies in Nampa, you'll see the maps here come with business names. It's called a map pack, and the map pack's how you get ranked higher on the map pack. Is with your certificates. How you get more certificates is having your name, address, and phone number that's listed in Google onto directories. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, even Facebook has a directory that you can use for free. That'll help you get ranked higher on the map packs. We can even use your competition, find out how many citations they have, and see who they are using for the citations. Using all those directories and websites that they use, even finding ones that they don't use, which will in turn give you more citations to them and then rank you higher on the Google map pack, which will be first in search results, making you have obviously more leads and customers. So those 3 things there, so having keyword rich content on your main page and your back pages, having more links and backlinks referring to your website for your products and services, and having more citations will easily surpass you or surpass your competition within Google, and making you have more leads and customers over your competition. So if you found this information beneficial and helpful and you'd like to know more, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help answer any questions or even help you out with going further on making your online presence greater. If you want to give me a call, 208-402-8268. I would happily be of service. This is Tom of WFB Digital Solutions. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.